Before we begin the video, we want to let you know this is not financial advice, and the video is for educational and learning purposes only. Back in 2020, when Avalanche was launched by the Ava Labs team, it quickly made its way up the cryptocurrency rankings and currently sits just outside the top 10. Avalanche's total value is skyrocketing currently and is now worth $3 billion across Avalanche dapps. In this video, we'll be taking a look at everything you need to know about Avalanche and whether or not it's a worthwhile investment for you in 2022. So, without any further ado, let's dive in. Let us start with the basics. What is Avalanche? Basically, it is a blockchain ecosystem that was designed to function as a secure, globally distributed, decentralized network. Its developers call it the platform of platforms. Just like King of Kings. It is a cryptocurrency and blockchain platform that rivals Ethereum. AVAX is the native token of the Avalanche blockchain, which, just like Ethereum, uses smart contracts to support a variety of blockchain projects. AVAX used to pay transaction processing fees and secure the Avalanche network. It acts as a basic unit of account among blockchains in the Avalanche network. The beauty of this platform is that it can provide instant transaction finality. Ethereum, for instance, achieves finality in about 1 minute. Avalanche achieves finality in 1 second. The Avalanche blockchain reportedly can process 6,500 transactions per second. That is insane. You might not know the term finality, right? Alright, we got your back. Time to finality is how long it takes for a crypto transaction to process and be considered permanent and irreversible. Once a transaction has achieved finality, it can't ever be rolled back or altered. If it were 2012 now, technical limitations of blockchain would have mattered less. But in 2022, the blockchain landscape has vastly changed because of decentralized finance and NFT usage. Ava Labs, the founders and developers of Avalanche, believe they've built the fastest smart contract blockchain platform to date, which is a solution to all the problems people face in Bitcoin, Solana and Ethereum. It utilizes 3 different blockchains under the hood and performs at internet scale for a future wherein crypto is a global backbone technology. This idea would have been nonsense a few years ago. But today, the Avalanche is a growing community backed by a $230 million ecosystem fund. Avalanche uses a novel consensus mechanism that builds on the proof-of-stake foundation. When a transaction is initiated by a user, it is received by a validator node that samples a small, random set of other validators, checking for agreement. The validators perform this sampling procedure repeatedly, just like they are gossiping with each other to ultimately reach consensus. In this way, one validator's message is sent to other validators, which sample more validators, which sample even more validators until the whole system reaches agreement on an outcome. Just as a single snowflake can become a snowball, a single transaction can eventually turn into an avalanche. I hope you understood that. But what actually is a validator? A blockchain validator is a person who is in charge of confirming blockchain transactions. Transactions are added to the distributed ledger once verified. Validators solve computing problems in proof-of-work systems and acquire the ability to verify transactions and get rewarded. Furthermore, validators stake native tokens in proof-of-stake networks like Avalanche for rewards. A recent tweet from AVAX News showed that Ethereum had the highest number of validators on a popular blockchain. According to the post, there are 270,322 validators on Ethereum, while Avalanche has about 1,220. This stat shows how much attention Avalanche is gaining in the crypto community. Nothing in the world is much regarded if it does not solve any problems. As far as Avalanche is concerned, it does solve a lot of problems. One of the 2 very basic problems, to which Avalanche is a solution, is congestion. Avalanche is actually designed to be scalable, and that's the basis of how it solves congestion. The network has demonstrated sub-second transaction times, putting it on par with the top payment processors in the world, such as Visa and PayPal. Specifically, the blockchain can process 6,500 transactions per second. These transactions feature sub-second finality as well. The other problem which it solves is fees. In terms of operating costs, the gas fees on Avalanche are much more affordable than Ethereum. There are fees for creating and minting assets. You also pay fees on transactions, staking, and the creation of blockchains. Avalanche recently announced that it will launch its own wallet application, called Core. The Core wallet incorporates native Avalanche bridging functionality, which enables users of the wallet to directly interact with decentralized applications on the Avalanche blockchain. Let's dive in the details of the Avalanche Wallet. An Avalanche Wallet has three types of addresses: X-Chain, C-Chain, and P-Chain. You can store cryptocurrencies on any of the three chains to serve different purposes. In short, the X-Chain is mainly used for storing assets, the C-Chain allows you to interact with smart contracts, and the P-Chain is used for staking. You can also move your tokens across the three chains within the Avalanche Wallet. When moving your assets out of your Avalanche Wallet, make sure to use a chain that is compatible with your destination wallet. For example, only the C-Chain wallet is compatible with MetaMask and Binance wallets. You can move your Avalanche tokens to the C-Chain wallet using the cross-chain function. Terminologies might get tricky, but once you get hold of it, you will see that Avalanche is the next big thing. There is this other tool called the Avalanche Explorer. It is actually an analytics tool that enables people to search the Avalanche blockchain for transactions, addresses, and other platform activities. But that's not of prime importance. What's important is the Avalanche Bridge. That's right, Avalanche Bridge is the way to transfer your Ethereum asset to Avalanche. And this is really easy to do actually. Visit Avalanche website for more information and connect your MetaMask. Choose your asset and the amount that you want to transfer, then click Transfer. You'll be presented with transaction details and Ethereum gas fee. After you click Confirm, you will see a progress page where it shows how much confirmation has happened on Ethereum. All you need to do is sit back and relax until both progress bars are completed. It should take around 10 minutes from the Ethereum side and around 5 to 10 seconds on the Avalanche side. You can also click on the MetaMask icon to add the transferred tokens contract on the Avalanche side. Now when both sides are finalized, you'll be presented with the transaction details, which will show how long it actually took to bridge your asset from Ethereum to Avalanche. And that's it. Easy, right? Let's have a dive into what the Avalanche community chased in the recent past. Avalanche Hub is the core of the Avalanche community. Recently it launched a task of designing Avalanche-based t-shirt and hoodies designs, rewarding designers with Avalanche Hub points redeemable in AVAX tokens and other forms. Recently, the Avalanche Chinese technical community, Avalancher, has been established. Avalancher is a technical community established by development enthusiasts, focusing on the developer community of the Avalanche ecosystem, providing free technical support for developers. Kuan Shahi, community manager of Avalanche India Community, created an educational video on multiple ways of logging in on Avalanche Wallet. Video is available in both English and Hindi. If you are interested, you can go and look at it. Andrea Vargas, from Spain, hosted an AMA with voice chat at B Crypto Dinero Forex Telegram group for those who wanted to know more about Avalanche. The Avalanche Vietnamese community hosted a quiz in their Telegram channel to stretch the knowledge of the community. Winners were rewarded with Avalanche Hub points. These were just a few examples. Just like these countries, the Avalanche community all over the world has started taking the spotlight now. Avalanche is one of the most popular blockchains for dapps and DeFi platforms. Let's have a look at some of the most popular dapps on the Avalanche network. 5. Lydia Finance. Lydia Finance is an automated market maker, yield farming, staking, and launchpad platform on the Avalanche network. Lydia allows users to trade, stake, pool, and earn LIDE as a reward. 4. Ava. Ava is an open-source liquidity platform that allows users to earn interest on deposits and borrowing of their assets. Ava also has a native token called AAVE. This token incentivizes users to use the platform by offering discounts on fees, providing vote power for governance, and a host of other advantages. 3. Snowbank. It features a fully functional dApp allowing users to connect with their MetaMask wallets and start using the platform. 2. Pangolin Exchange. Think of Pangolin as the PancakeSwap or Avalanche network. The UI of the two exchanges is highly similar, with some extra features like margin swap. 1. Trader Joe. This is the most popular, with over 373,000 monthly users, dApp on Avalanche. Along with a full-fledged exchange, Trader Joe's provides lending, farming, and staking options for users. In addition, with DEX and DeFi services, Trader Joe can provide leverage trading to its users. This is a simple rule. To survive in this world, you need to have partners and successful businesses around you. Well, the project Avalanche was founded by a team of 3 co-founders, but the most notable founder is Emin Gun Surer. Currently, Avalanche is backed by prestigious venture capital firms like Andreessen Horowitz and Polychain Capital. In recent months, many enterprises have affiliated themselves with Avalanche. Customers of Kraken may now trade Avalanche's AVAX token, which was previously unavailable. Previously, BitGo backed this network. This new initiative will allow BitBuy and Bitstamp, which are BitGo's clients, to offer AVAX to their consumers. According to rumors, Ensure Token has partnered with Avalanche to ensure the DeFi network's crypto assets. Avalanche Ensure will also be connected. Furthermore, Penguin Finance, a gamified DeFi hub, joins Avatars, a new generation of metaverse and P2E games built on Avalanche. The Avalanche Ecosystem Accelerator Colony has partnered with Dogen, an Avalanche-based gaming company. Project Galaxy supports Avalanche for on-chain credentials. We mean, Avalanche got a hell of a lot of support out there. You must be intrigued by now to buy this coin, right? Well, we can tell you what major and small exchanges you can get your hands on this coin. Number 1. Bitstamp. They currently accept Canada, UK and USA residents excluding the states of Alabama, Hawaii, Idaho, Louisiana, Nevada, and New Jersey. Number 2. Uphold. This is one of the top exchanges for United States and UK residents that offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Germany and Netherlands are prohibited. Number 3. Binance. Best for Australia, Canada, Singapore, UK and most of the world. USA residents are prohibited from buying most tokens. Unless you use Binance US. Number 4. KuCoin. This exchange currently offers cryptocurrency trading of over 300 other popular tokens. This exchange currently accepts international and United States residents. Number 5. Wazir X. This exchange is part of the Binance Group, which ensures a high standard of quality. It is the best exchange for residents of India. At the making of this video, the price of Avalanche coin is $65.12. Go grab your Avalanche, but at your own risk. It is advisable to have a clear understanding of the risks and rewards involved before moving forward with making investments in any crypto ecosystem. Keep that in mind and make a wise decision before investing. With that piece of advice, we will wrap up. Tell us in the comment section about what you think about Avalanche. We hope you learned a lot about it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon so you don't miss out on any updates. We will see you in the next video with some more amazing crypto information.